All right, what came first, the chicken or the egg? It's kind of the same position you might be in if you're a small business, right? You need to do content marketing, but do you really want to spend the time to do content marketing if there's nobody there to read it? Well, what you want to do is focus on building that credibility. You're going to start small, there's going to be no readability, but with it, in a continuing content strategy, increases the credibility of your website. There's value in consistency too. Google will reward content that is consistent. There was an algorithm update however many years ago, I want to say it was 10 plus years ago, called Caffeine. Now, part of Caffeine is focusing on content that is more relevant for time-based content. And the example that always comes to mind is the Olympics. So if somebody was to go vaguely search something related to the Olympics, they're most likely wanting to know the results of whatever Olympics is currently going on or was the most recent one that passed. And so that's why consistency and time relevance matters, is because there's value in more current content. So what you want to do is focus on solving problems, right? And understand that this is a long-term play with all things SEO. So you may not get the visibility of your first article right after publishing it, but through consistency and building up an audience over time, people will come back later to read the article that they're grateful that you wrote for the year before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot in today's video. Don't forget to like the video. That gives me feedback so I know what more topics to produce. What more topics is a phrase, right? Click the subscribe button and enable that little notification bell right there so you also know when I drop a new video.